Welcome to Ancient Humans. Today we listen carefully, because the drums are starting again. Ancient humans love rhythm, especially when it is loud and far away. The drums of war do not begin with bombs. They begin with language, threat, security, stability. When those words start repeating, the percussion section is warming up. Ancient humans say they want peace, but peace is quiet, and quiet makes them think. War is louder. War gives purpose to confused men and ratings to nervous networks. The drums are useful. They make complicated stories simple. Good, bad, us, them. Ancient humans relax when the world is divided neatly. Nuance does not march well. The drums grow louder. Flags appear. Experts assemble. Maps light up like video games. Ancient humans lean forward. Conflict feels important. Importance feels like meaning. And meaning is addictive. The drums of war also do something magical. They make budgets elastic. Things that were impossible yesterday become urgent today. Hospitals are expensive. Missiles are investments. Ancient humans nod, because fear synchronizes the heartbeat, and once the heart is synchronized, the drum only has to keep tempo. Watch closely. The loudest drummers rarely hold rifles. They hold microphones. They hold offices. They hold stock. The drummer is often very far from the battlefield, but very close to the benefits. Ancient humans are told, this one is different. It is always different. It is always necessary. It is always defensive. The drums say so. Opposition becomes disloyalty. Questions become weakness. Silence becomes consent. The rhythm tightens. Social feeds fill with certainty. Certainty is the war uniform of the mind. Ancient humans begin repeating phrases they learned yesterday. The drums are working. And then, the first explosion, and the rhythm changes, from performance to consequence. But by then the tempo is set, and stopping a drum mid-march looks unpatriotic. So it continues, and continues, until eventually the drums fade. They always fade, leaving dead, photographs, and a fresh generation who will one day hear the rhythm again. Ancient humans believe they are rational, but the drum speaks to something older, older than diplomacy, older than ethics, older than memory. So when you hear it, ask who is playing, ask who profits from tempo, ask who is safely seated while others move in time. The drums are subtle at first, always subtle. Listen carefully, still there, still breathing, still listening. Observation continues.